This is a human nervous system model. And this end is the superior end, where the head is. This is the inferior end, near the legs and the sacrum. This is the spinal cord. And this thicker area right here is called the cervical enlargement. This thicker area down here is called the lumbar enlargement. And this little tip right here is called the medullary cone. It's where the spinal cord ends. This is the cauda equina. It literally means horse's tail. Coming off the spinal cord, you have bundles of nerves called plexes. This is the cervical plexus. We have the brachial plexus. And the brachial plexus has 3 bundles of nerves called the lateral cord, the medial cord, and the posterior cord. No plexes associated with the thoracic region, because thoracic spinal nerves don't merge or branch with other nerves. And here we have the lumbar plexus, these nerves, and then down here we have the sacral plexus. Most of the sacral plexus, those spinal nerves, fuse into this really big nerve, the sciatic nerve. That's a sciatic nerve. And this is the femoral nerve, which branches off the lumbar plexus. Running along the spinal cord, we have the sympathetic trunk or sympathetic chain. And there are bundles of cell bodies called ganglia. These are sympathetic chain ganglia. And we have the communicating ramus. We have the gray communicating ramus, which is medial, and the white communicating ramus, which is lateral. We have another human nervous system model, which isn't quite as detailed, but I like the plexes a lot better on this one. And we have the cervical plexus, the brachial plexus, we have the lateral cord, the posterior cord, the medial cord, and we have a couple of nerves that we can see running next to the radius. We have the radial nerve. Running next to the ulna, we have the ulnar nerve. And down here we have the lumbar plexus with the femoral nerve and the sacral plexus, and most of those spinal nerves run into the sciatic nerve. And there's a medullary cone, lumbar enlargement, and a cervical enlargement.